difficult to kind of get a picture of a realistic handheld. It's the wrong shape, isn't it, for the format? We really ought to be doing it that way on, like that. Anyway, we're not doing it that way on, so I'll plonk it there. Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, are you out there?
Tango 21, Mr. Chippy, I'm receiving you loud and clear.
Excellent. So I'm on the real 10-4. So I'm on the realistic TRC 1005. Last week we did the TRC 1001, and this is basically an updated version, a similar chassis, and you can get 4 watts out of it, but it's pointless. I think this one's was 3.6, 3.7. I like to set them for 3.5 because it's better on the batteries and there's no difference in range, really. So on a foam squelch, you've got the extension speaker or earphone socket. We're using it on an external mic. High-low power, so it's 4 watt or 3.5 watts or 0.4. Electret microphone, and then you've got external power charger, and I'm on external aerial. So we've got that, lots of things plugged in there. So we're not running on the batteries at this stage.
Just passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station. As with all handhelds, if you look at the previous video, it's never easy to get any receive figures, and sometimes not the transmit ones either, because whilst you've got the rod antenna still in place and the loading coil inside on the printed circuit board, it's interacting with what you're reading, and it'd be cost prohibitive to start stripping all that out. You know, it'd be 90 minutes extra. We certainly can't waste time like that. So,
right, square wheel at Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. So in the next few days we'll do a field test where Mr. Chippy goes out with it and he stops with the handheld, as you've seen before with the other videos. They take about 90 minutes to record, so we have to have a bit more time than usual to do those, whereas I can do these in 20 minutes, a range test like this. So it will be field tested later, and I might even dust it off as well.
Right, just going over the top of the hill to go down into Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Right, I'm going to check the squelch because he's going to Scratchy Corner next. And for those of you who didn't watch the previous video, you've got the on the transmit bar there's a black button which illuminates the LCD display. Roger, got you, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Roger, got you, going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, and that's always the most difficult one. Roger, going over Rawsby Level Crossing, that's great. And I know you're going shopping over. Yeah, it's always a snag going past the petrol station with all that electronic interference. I know you're going shopping and you're going to bring me a pint of milk. Okay, thank you. Tango 21 out. Okay, well that's fine. As I say, you've got these problem with the aerial being connected, so you never get the full performance on any of these where that happens. I just wish you'd have put a internal external antenna switch so it didn't have that loading coil in the circuit, but there you go. Right, we'll go over to our base station and I'll do it on the hand mic, and then I'll do it on the internal mic, so you'll get it from both angles then.
Tango 21, testing the realistic TRC 1005 with the external microphone into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tango 21, testing the realistic TRC 1005 handheld into our Harrier CBHQ base station using the internal electric microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you for watching.